fingers smell like the dirty feet cheese. We're in Grand Manan. What? Do you like my intro?
Bring the band in. Woo! Well, all right. Yeah.
We're in Grand Manan Island and we're going for an ATV ride. I never thought Grand Manan would be big enough to have an ATV association, but they do. We're gonna meet the club president, we're gonna meet the board of directors, and they say the trails over here are pretty rough. Now we ride the 44 back home, which is super rough. So it'll be interesting what they think is rough and what we categorize as rough. So I'm really looking forward to getting out and seeing what Grand Manan has in store.
I don't know that I've ever actually offloaded this without an issue, so we'll see. There is nothing holding that side-by-side on now. That strap just come right off. That's fine. That's fine. It's all good. It's all good. This is my second time on the island ever. I've lived in New Brunswick my entire life, and I've only had the opportunity to go to Grand Manan now twice. It is something that it's a beautiful place. And there's something about being on the ferry and going to the ocean and being secluded that you can't just immediately go back home or anything to happen. It's kind of nerve-wracking, but at the same time, kind of freeing. Our journey began on a Friday afternoon. We had taken the day off work and driven and floated all the way to the island. And we were ready for adventure. For some of us, this was our first or second time on the island. And this was certainly all of our first time driving ATVs on Grand Manan.
Going on? Stop. It's been 10 years, I think. 8.
Yeah?
Yeah. So this is Paul. Paul was.
I met
remember
you
where you're
before.
from?
Yeah,
A couple times at camp, probably.
Yeah. And Ben and Nicole and Christy, my wife. I think you met her on the beach that time.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do, we'll put you in the front because you know where you're going.
Yeah.
We can put him behind you if you want. We'll see where we want to put him. But then we'll put Ben in the Fugelman in the other side by side behind you because he's the camera. Because we're all on comms, right?
Well, we'll go to Field Cove to Red Point, and I don't even care if we go up King Street. There really isn't anything
Nothing
there. We
much
could
to look
backtrack
at there.
back and walk through Joey's where we just came down through, and then go back the island.
You know, it's whatever you like to show people in Canada. So we're gonna go that way you came in.
And just like that, after 5 minutes of prep, we were ready to go into the unknown and onto the trails.